be making one of my favorites, a mug cake. First you need almond meal, but we don't have almond meal, so we're using flour, coconut oil. You need 1 egg. We're gonna make our own flavor, blueberries, baking powder, and honey, and a mug. Let's get started. First, we're going to melt 1 teaspoon of Vigor coconut oil in the microwave for 15 seconds. That's how we want it, nice and melty. We're using regular flour, not quite 1/4 cup. You want it like that if you're using regular flour. Third step is 1 egg. Okay, the next step is 2 tablespoons honey. I'm shaking so hard. One-4 teaspoon baking powder. Take the baking powder, scoop it in, stir it. Here. Next step is adding the blueberries. So we're using 1/2 cup. We're just gonna fill it up halfway with fresh blueberries. Next, we need to stir, and if you don't stir, it's going to be messy. The next step is to put the mug into the microwave for 90 seconds. And now, I clean up my mess.
Okay.
They look like cranberries. And the final step is to taste test it. I can't. I'm only getting dough. The perfect bite. Success. Good night.